Hola guys, welcome to the vlog. I've been trying to tap in, like really tap in with the vlogging tip because I'm getting tired of doing hair videos. Today is kind of like a spending day with me. So y'all have my, what a typical day in my life is. We're gonna start well right now. I'm at home. A typical day for me in the morning times, I be with my little sister. Buddy, look, say hi.
Hi.
Y'all don't mind her hair. It's a bad hair day for both of us. I normally be here with my little sister and my niece. Sometimes my niece don't be here that much, but this week I was at the gym. Monday and Tuesday I went to the gym early morning. Today is Wednesday and they have a lot of morning classes at the gym, so I just decided I'm gonna go to the gym today, but I'm gonna go later because I just don't want to be around them people. And then the machines be took and all that type of stuff, so I don't got time for that. Sitting here eating my McDonald's breakfast. The girl's on a weight gain journey, so I just been eating shit, just eating. I was struggling to eat, but now I feel like my stomach is adapting to larger meals, so. It's a nice day in Chicago too, so depending on how good it feels, I'm probably go to the park or something. And then later, I got dinner reservations with my bestie Maya, and y'all see all of that. But yeah, right now I'm just chilling. I ain't really on shit. Tend to this crazy. Look at her hair, please. Don't mind her hair, y'all. Y'all know how kids don't like getting their hair done. But yeah, I'm a tend to this sweetheart. What's wrong? Tend to this little sweetheart. Mommy, show them your eyes. Where your eyes? Okay, show them your nose. No, your nose. Let me see your mouth. Show me your pretty hair. Ooh. Give me 5. Yay. Y'all, I got a confession. I ain't did nothing. Since the last time I came up on this camera, I have not done anything but put my hand in the motherfucking ponytail. I don't know, I just be having them days where like I don't want to do anything. Today was one of them, but that was this morning though. My body is really sore and I was really tired, so I really was trying to catch a nap, but the nap wasn't trying to take me, so I just been, on my phone lollygagging. But right now, I'm about to start getting myself together for the day because it's like 3 o'clock now. I'm gonna clean up this kitchen and then I'm going to, if I got time, I'm gonna go to the gym. If I don't have time, I'm still gonna get my workout in. It's just gonna be a home workout. But yeah, I'm gonna clean up really quick and then we'll see we'll see.
I'll be willing to spend the night. All you gotta say is please stay true. I'll be staying as long as you say it ain't more and more.
If you like old school, like R&B like I do, make sure you add a Bandz station to your Pandora. Like it be unlimited hits all day, every day. It's the only way I can do work for real. Black people cannot work without music.
I just want to say it's right because you're not mine. I can't deny it. Don't you hear me talking, baby? Love me now, so crazy.
How could I ever forget something? Spend my life thinking of you.
You don't front in front of your friends, and you're smart enough to be a real man. And I love you, and I love you, and I love you for that, baby. Hold on, let me pause the music. Queen Maya on the throne. Y'all, she's not new to this channel, y'all already know. If you don't see her in the videos, you definitely see her in the comments. Yeah, I'm gonna make us a burger because it's only 5 o'clock and I only ate breakfast today. I told y'all I was trying to gain some weight, so I need to be eating like every other hour on the album outlet. So I'm gonna need to make some little burgers or whatever. Y'all, the freaking patty's not even thawed out yet, so.
Banana so bad. It's nasty, ain't it?
Booty, you want some more? Booty, you want some more banana?
Thought you wanted it.
Do you want it? I guess I'll take y'all through like the process of like how I plan the outfit. First and foremost, all my fits revolve around either the shoe or the hair. Today I might be wearing that brown wig, so basically I'm going to base my look off that. Hold on. Also, you guys, my looks are also based on like the environment I'm going to be in. So the restaurant we're going to today is like a very colorful restaurant, so I don't know. I might have to put something together that actually complements the restaurant, but also complement my hair as well. So I'm gonna pick through some shit and see what I come up with, and then I'll come back and do all that extra.
I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Gymnast. I can do it.
Not me doing my makeup in a restaurant bathroom. Why? Because I'm always fucking late. Y'all, they music quiet here. Well, let's get into the fix. Starting with Maya. Man, how you coming? How you coming?
Oh, they got soft color.
Wait, let me zoom in on that girl.
See that heart?
Wait.
I had to put the heart on the shoe because I don't got no
Oh,
heart.
my camera late as hell. I zoomed in and didn't even focus. Let's do that again. Let's try again. Come on, Sony. Come on. Don't do me like this. Candy will never. Ready?
Okay, cool.
There we go. Yep.
Yeah.
Put a heart on the shoe because I'm heartless. Then we got fashion logo.
It looks good too. Nice color. Everything hitting.
From Pics.
I wish I could show them the tag, bitch.
So what are we wearing?
Sheen.
Okay.
Gotta be Sheen.
Sheen.
I know I'm asking, don't man. Sheen. My phone on the purse. That was my phone.
I'm screaming.
Sheen on the jacket.
Period.
Giving you. What is giving?
What y'all giving?
R&B.
Period.
Giving a Monica video. Yo, it's like giving like a maze house. Like, wait. It's so cute here. That's why I said your picture's gonna be hidden right there. Woo! Yup, they not fucking with you. Fire.
Yes.
That was hard vlogging at restaurants. Because to be people, but they blurred in the background. Shout out to Sony for doing their job. But it's so cute in here. It's so cute in here. Like, it's artsy as fuck. So colorful. And then they be having performers. They don't have performers today, but they got performers on Thursdays. They'll probably come back on a Thursday so y'all can see. So cute in here though. What's up, baby? Take me out to dinner. What's up, baby? Yeah, we ain't been outside in a little bit. That's why we out here like amazed at every fucking thing. Like, oh my gosh, it's colorful. Oh my gosh, it has a door. Outside, new as hell to us right now. Hey y'all, checking in. Maya got some chicken, and I'm gonna try some lamb chops. Y'all, I get so excited when I see food. This shit looks so good. It's my first time trying lamb chops though, so yeah. Maya got some chicken over there. Her shit looks so pretty and presentable. It's like you don't even want to eat it. It's so cute.
I legit, that's what I got.
I don't know. I got some potatoes because a bitch gotta eat.
I'm gonna eat vegetables. I'm gonna try to eat it. I'm gonna try to eat a little bit.
I dare you.
I ain't gonna eat the whole. I probably won't eat the whole thing, but I'll definitely try. What the potato give me?
Okay. If there was thinner, I hit.
I'm tweaking. I ain't doing no boomy on Instagram.
Oh, me either. And I'm already cut into this shit. All right, here goes nothing. You had it. You said you haven't had it before, right?
What is it giving?
I don't know how to put my finger on it.
It tastes like pork chop, lamb chop.
Tastes like meat.
Steak.
No. It don't taste like a steak. It's good though. The texture is different too. It's like chewy a little bit.
Yes, I have heard that. It is more chewy.
I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna eat it. No, let me not do that. It smells spicy though.
Try it.
These cupcakes good.
I don't know what this
I smell everything.
Whatever it is good.
Let him do it. Maya said her food good too, y'all. So you recommend coming here?
I definitely do recommend. Ooh, there's so many flavors in this salad.
Given what it's supposed to be. I'm with Kelly over here.
I think it is related.
You are filming something? Can I get y'all together?
Can I get you out again?
Yeah.
I'm not. I'm a YouTuber. You don't want to get out of
So
there.
I do need y'all together.
I'm screaming. So I gotta
What's the YouTube?
It's Kierra channel.
You got an Instagram? Can I in the picture?
Please.
Do I need to sign something?
No.
Like authorization?
No. No, sir. I should be asking you that. You walking in the video.
They started a lifestyle brand. I don't know if people like shopping. Not today.
Look, you should get on YouTube then. Lifestyle. That's all people watch.
Maybe you can teach me.
For sure.
Yeah.
Connect.
You seem like a star. I'm like, man, she got the truck.
She is a star.
I'm screaming. Shout out to my new friend.
Hey.
You gotta tell me your name. I'll put you in my video.
Yeah, support her. Hey, support black women.
Yes, love to hear.
Please. Black women are the most unprotected women on the planet.
And we gotta do something out there, right?
Yeah.
Give your friend a shout out too. Seriously.
Let's always shout out with one. You used to tell us your name. Tell us your name.
You can find me on Instagram at s.vision.
S.Vision.
And the brand is Keep Living, the Keep Living Party.
Wow. Okay, we're gonna connect. Have a good night. This is Maya's. This is Maya's first time eating an empanada. Let's see. It actually is really good. I don't know what they put in that one. It's the bread for me. That bitch busting. Pretty good.
Thank you.
That's really good.
It's like a spicy but not spicy.
It's really good. Like, me like that. Maya found a familiar face.
Guess what? The Ram's here.
And we finna go over there. She's scared.
Yes.
This man lives in Los Angeles and he's in Chicago right now. Like, why wouldn't you? Hold on. Let me
follow
zoom
him.
in.
He's an excellent vocalist.
It's you always shameless promo for me.
Sorry.
Even to the strangers. I love it. That's how you know a true supporter.
Guess what time it is? Content time. Oh, Duran hugged me.
Right, we tried to get the interaction, but it happened really quick, guys. But she got it. We got it. Put your phone. Cause that here, no story. We got 3 pictures of me. That's all right. Okay, I'm popping in to share my tips with you guys when it comes to creating content and getting that picture, getting a one. First things first, you want to make sure your camera is wiped off. Make sure you're in ample lighting, and then that your background is not super busy or anything like that, and it doesn't clash with your fit. Be sure to take as many pictures as you can. It's better to have too many than not enough. Take it from all different angles, and also try to switch the locations as well, because this was a perfect example of I could have got some content right here and then also went back outside, but I didn't do that. Just, you know, try to get as much as you can and from different angles, try different backgrounds and all this type of stuff until you find the picture that you know is worthy of posting. So fun fact, I gotta practice my poses before I do it. Because otherwise it don't come out.
The girlies are outside. What the fuck, Maya? What the fuck?
What did you just do? Run that back. I didn't see what the fuck she just did.
I just ran into the door, guys, and I'm not drunk, so I don't understand what's going on.
I would think it was lit, right?
Naturally like this, but look at the view. Wait, please. Look at that.
What city you know?
Come on now. The greatest city.
This not even the best view though.
Terrible angle, but it's okay.
I'm telling you.
Y'all see the Sears Tower. Y'all see we outside.
Beautiful.
No coat.
Beautiful. Real beautiful out here.
Real beautiful out here.
Outside of Carnivale.
Carnivale
Wait, I think
restaurant.
they call it Carnivale.
Vale.
No, Carnivale. Carnivale. I don't know how to pronounce it.
Yes. Look at that. Fulton Market District. Come visit.
Did I do that? Spot focus?
Yeah. Yes. Giving the girls what needs to be gay.
I'm cold.
It is a little nippy.
Should I turn the car on? Shit.
No, it's not that. Not that deep. I'm sorry, my strong ass arms. Been in the gym. No sweat. Wait, please.
Real gains over here.
Come here. I was hot and then I'm cold.
That's Chicago, nigga.
Literally.
I can do big. I can do big. I can do big. I can do it, gymnast. I can do it. I can do it big.
Alright, you guys, so this is pretty much the end of the vlog. The next day I did go to the gym. I wasn't able to get like a lot of footage being that it was a lot of people in there, so this is just a clip of me doing my cool down workout. But yeah, I think we'll end the vlog here. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, if you want more vlogs like this or just vlogs in general. I know it's a little like all over the place and it's not as smooth transitional wise, but that's something I can work on. In the meantime, let me know if you do enjoy this content and you want to see more of what I do in my life behind the scenes of stuff. Leave me a comment down below. Like this video if you haven't. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications so that you're aware of when I post. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.